Hello everyone and welcome. In this video we're going to take a look at Housecall Pro, Servicetitan, Jobber and Workiz to see which one is better. So I have here a list with the pros and cons, so we're going to take a look at this. The first one is Housecall Pro. So it's best for small to mid-sized service businesses. They offer easy scheduling, invoicing, payment processing. Mobile friendly with customer communication tools and good for HVAC, plumbing, cleaning, etc. The downside, limited advanced features for big teams. Then we have Servicetitan, which is best for large service companies needing full-scale operations. Advanced dispatch, CRM, marketing, reporting. Built for HVAC, plumbing, electrical pros, robust integration and scalability. The downside, it's expensive and complex for small businesses. Then we have Jobber and Workiz. So for Jobber, basically it's best for small to medium service teams wanting simple operations. They offer scheduling, quoting, invoicing, client hub, user-friendly and affordable. And they also have good customer support. The downside, less advanced features than Servicetitan. And the last one is Workiz, which is best for small to medium field service businesses with dispatch needs. They offer scheduling, dispatch, invoicing, phone system. They have integrated CRM and marketing tools, good for pest control, locksmiths, and HVAC. The downside, interface can feel cluttered. So these are the pros and cons for each one of them. I really hope you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching.